So guys, in our last video, we did an analysis of the VIX 25 index, and based on the confirmations we saw, a break of trend line at this point. Um, we zoom in for you guys to see. At that time, this price movement hasn't played out. It is the price in this blue box hasn't played out. So price was at this point in the market, and then we saw that price broke out of this trend line, came down to retest the trend line, and the analysis was given that VIX 25 was going to go long. That VIX 25 was going to go long, and we'll be looking at exiting the market at somewhere here, somewhere here, or somewhere here. But unfortunately, guys, price reversed to the downside and tapped us out. I was taking out stop loss on this trade. Price reversed to the downside, took me out, continued to the downside, and then continued to range for a couple of days before eventually dropping down into the zone and then pushing to the upside. When price started ranging, at this point, I dropped the analysis on my free Telegram group, stipulating that price was going to move to this downside. Let me show you on the daily time frame. Stipulating that price was going to move to this downside before eventually pushing to the upside. Okay, let me just quickly zoom. Okay, can you see, guys? This analysis was dropped on the general group, a Telegram group, my free Telegram group. The analysis was dropped that price was going to fall into this zone, into this point, and then push to the upside. And as you can see, price has reacted accordingly, dropped into the zone, and as you can see, we are having a bullish move at the moment. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame to see what price is doing. As you can see at this point, this previous sorry about that, guys. This previous high has been taken out. This previous high has been taken out. I might be seeing that price might drop to this other block. Let me show you something quickly. So this is a break of structure. Break of structure. As you can see, price has broken this previous lower high and has fallen to the downside to either price might be reacting at this other block, or this other block before continuing to the upside. But we watching price, be keeping our fingers crossed to see what price does from this point. As you can see, this low, this previous higher low has been taken out. This higher low has been taken out. Price might just eventually drop to this downside, to this other block to continue to the upside, or further still move to this other block to continue to the upside. We're keeping our fingers crossed to see what price will do, and we'll watch out for entry once we see confirmations. So guys, also on the jump index market, I just did an analysis on that. The job index market, looking at price shorting to the downside. As you can see, this is a very strong point of resistance. Price came to this point, so from this up price point in the market, moved to this point, got rejected, came downwards, got rejected. Can you see multiple rejections at this point, which is indicating a very strong resistance point, if this momentum continues, let's go down to the 15 minutes time frame. If this momentum continues, then we'll be seeing a very strong bearish move to the downside, and all this region I just marked out, all these regions I marked out are points price will likely get to, before reversing to the upside. As you can see, this is the first take profit level. If you be entering this trade, ensure you do so after clear confirmations. You can see first take profit level. This first zone, second take profit level, while this is the third take profit. Price might be shorting to the downside to mitigate this region, or mitigate this region as far down as this point. So guys, that's the analysis and bias I have on job 10 index and also on job 25 index. As you can see, price uh, is reacting at a trend line and also at my sniper level on my customized Fibonacci. On my customized Fibonacci, price is reacting at the sniper level on the daily time frame. And we're looking at price filling this uh, filling this candle up, or eventually moving to this upside. Let me just clear the chart for you guys to see. Eventually moving to this upside to fill this candle. So my bias on jump index 10 is a sell. Jump index 10 is a sell, and my bias right now on jump index 25 is a buy. Um, I'm not afraid to be wrong in the market. I am never afraid to be wrong. That is why I am profitable. I'm never afraid to be wrong in the market. If price decides to push to the downside, does this thing at this region, let me just mark this place out. Does this thing at this region, buys to this place to continue to the downside, then the first bias of price filling this candle would have been met. But if price does not move to this upside to get to this region, then um, I won't be scared to be wrong. I won't be scared to be wrong. So guys, that's my bias on the on jump 25 index. Price has retested this trend line twice, and this is the third time price is retesting the trend line, and there's every possibility price pushes to this upside. So guys, let's just do one more analysis, and let's just do one more analysis and see what the price is saying. Let me just see. I think this analysis was given on the VIP group that price was going to sell to the downside. Uh, Price moved. The criteria for entry was once price breaks through this marked out zone, then it is a clear entry to enter. It is a clear point to enter for a sell. But you can see, price didn't break the zone, so our condition was not met. Our condition was not met. But on the boom 500 index, as you can see, the market is playing out well, playing out perfectly well. We gave the signal on the VIP group that price was going to sell to the downside before pushing to the upside. If you're not on my free Telegram group, the link will be dropped in the description section, the description box below. I'll be dropping the link for you guys to join the free Telegram group for more free analysis and profitable content. For more free analysis and profitable content, this analysis was dropped, and this was a speculation that price was going to react from this point, push to this downside, at least to this zone, to this previous resistance point, which might eventually turn to a support level before eventually pushing to this upside. Um, so guys, that's that about that. This signal was given on the VIP group and also on the free Telegram group. Usually, what we do on the free Telegram group is we don't just uh, feed our traders or the community with just buys and sells. We train them to also be able to identify points in the market for themselves. We train them to be able to identify points in the market for themselves. And how we do that is by dropping analysis for them to also look out for entry points. Don't always feed them with buy, sells. We drop analysis and ensure that they also go to their books, go to this chart, analyze so that they can also gain one or two from the market. That you can gain one or two from the market. So we immediately drop analysis on the free Telegram group, and once in a while we drop signals which most time, which are 80% of the time profitable, 70 to 80% of the time, to 85% of the time profitable signals. So guys, um, that's we did, and okay, to give some speculations on some of the commodities. Okay, I think this trade was this signal was given a couple of days back that price was going to sell from this point to this our take profit, and you can see price sold from this point and has broken our take profit level, and it's even falling or has fallen below, and right now price is buying to the upside. Price is buying to the upside. That's on the um the V101S index market. Give the signal that price is going to sell from this point down to this trend line before any other thing can happen. But price broke through our take profit point and continued to the downside. And right now, price has formed equal low and is pushing to the upside. And also on the V25 index 1S, this signal was given yesterday or 2 days ago. This signal was given that price was going to buy from this point that was marked out in the market. Let me go to the 15 minutes time frame to show you guys. The price was going to buy from this point, this exact point in the market. And as you can see, price got there and pushed to the upside currently, some of our traders are still on this move, holding this trade and making good profit. As you can see, we've been in the market for the past 2 days. This should be the third day. Okay, this is the candle 1, 2, 3. This is the third day we've been on this move. And also, let's quickly see. Click on V20. Okay. V51S is ranging at the moment. V51S is ranging at the moment, and I'm expecting price to sell to this region before anything can happen. That is me taking an entry. But until then, I'll keep watching V51S. I don't trade ranging markets. So guys, that's that about that. Okay, on the step index market also, as you can see, this analysis was given. Let's go down to the 1 hour time frame to show you guys how we're able to analyze this market. The signal was given from this point. Okay, I think the signal was given from this point. The price was going to fall to this point before eventually pushing to the upside. But price didn't get to this point, and immediately I saw a very strong bullish momentum. I opted on the trade, and as you can see, look at where I marked that price was going to buy to. Price got to that point and detected with a wick. Can you see? Detected with a wick. So quickly, let me just show you that. Can you see? It became more explosive for you guys to see. Can you see? It was stipulated that price was going to buy from this point up to this upside before pushing to the downside. And you can see we rolled the sell to this point, and this signal also was given today, yesterday, that is the 21st of January 2022. The signal was given that price was going to sell to the downside. As you can see, price sold. That is after riding this buy, got out from this point, we entered the sell again, rode it to this downside. So that's that about all I have for you guys today. If you're just coming across my YouTube channel for the first time, if you're just coming across my YouTube page for the first time, this is Perfect Forex. I would like you to please click on the like button and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I get to post a new video, you guys will be notified. And also do how to smash the like button, do how to drop a comment in the comment section if you have any suggestion, if you have any question, do how to reach me on Telegram, and I will respond. I will do how to respond. As I said earlier, If you're just coming across my YouTube channel, this is Perfect Forex, your brother, your friend, your favorite trader. Do all to click on the like button, do all to click on the subscribe button, do all to turn on the notification bell. Drop a comment in the comment section, as all these helps the algorithm of uh, this video to reach more people. Um, this helps the algorithm of this video to reach more people. Um, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. I will see you guys in my next video. Uh, I said this is Perfect Forex, your friend, your favorite trader, and your brother. Do have a great day, and God bless you.